The letter U. U stands for unicorn. The unicorn unwinds with a ukulele. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase u. Put your pencil on the dotted line and make a line down to the baseline. Curve right along the baseline, then pull the line up to the dotted line. Now retrace that line down toward the baseline. Just above the baseline, turn your line upward to end with a smile. Write the letter U in the air. Let's practice. Now let's write an uppercase U. It's almost the same as lowercase u except for the beginning. Put your pencil just below the top line. Curve up and along the top line, then curve all the way down to the baseline. Curve right along the baseline, then pull the line all the way to the top line. Retrace this line, and just before you get to the baseline, curve out and end with a smile. Write the letter U in the air. Now, let's practice. Both uppercase U and lowercase u connect with their smiles. Write an uppercase U and connect it to a lowercase u. Let's write the word umbrella. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!